Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Electronic Gadgets, and today we're checking out a powerful and ultra-smart cleaning solution, the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with AutoEmpty Dock. This advanced robot vacuum is designed to deliver hands-free, intelligent, and deep cleaning with maximum convenience. The biggest highlight here is the AutoEmpty Dock, which allows the Roomba 105 to automatically empty its dustbin for up to 75 days. That means no daily emptying, no mess, and no hassle. Simply let the robot clean your home while the dock takes care of debris storage, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. This vacuum features intense power lifting suction, delivering strong airflow to effectively pick up dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Whether it's daily maintenance or deep cleaning, the suction power ensures consistent performance across multiple surfaces. For intelligent navigation, the Roomba 105 uses LiDAR-based smart mapping, allowing it to scan and map your home with precision. This ensures systematic movement, accurate room detection, and efficient cleaning routes, so it cleans in neat, organized rows instead of random movement. The result is faster cleaning with better coverage and minimal missed spots. With multi-surface cleaning capability, this robot vacuum seamlessly transitions between hardwood, tiles, laminate, and carpets, adjusting performance automatically for optimal results. It also intelligently avoids obstacles and navigates around furniture, delivering smooth and reliable operation throughout your home. The Roomba 105 is also designed to be extremely easy to use, with intuitive controls and smart automation. You can schedule cleanings, monitor progress, and customize cleaning routines effortlessly, making daily home maintenance completely stress-free. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with AutoEmpty Dock is a powerful, intelligent, and hands-free cleaning solution that delivers strong suction, smart LiDAR navigation, and up to 75 days of automatic dirt disposal. If you want effortless, deep, and efficient home cleaning, this robot vacuum is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.